Hello friends, my name is Shivagi Arusha. Today our topic is scrambling in digital communication. Introduction. Scrambling is a technique used to randomize digital bit sequence, prevent long sequence of zeros or ones, ensure proper synchronization in digital communication system, not encryption, used mainly for signal conditioning. Why scrambling is needed? Avoid loss of clock synchronization, elements long run of identical bits, reduce DC bias and improve signal quality, enhance spectral efficiency, improves performance of line coding methods. How scrambling works? Input bit stream is modified using a scrambling sequence, typically use linear feedback, shift register, LFSR, introduce bit transition without changing original data content, descramble, restore original bit at receiver end. Types of scrambling: additive scrambling and multiplicative scrambling. First, additive scrambling. Scrambler and descrambler are synchronized. Multiplicative scrambling used polynomial operation automatically resynchronize after errors. Application: telecommunication system, T1 even lines, DSL and broadband communication, satellite communication, digital TV and DVB system, Ethernet. Conclusion: scrambling ensures reliable digital communication, prevent synchronization loss and signal distortion, enhance efficiency, robustness, and signal integrity.